पूर्ण लावून घ्या ना. अर्धवट उघड आहे. कडी लाव कडी.
Mr. Akhilesh, shall I start? Mr. Akhilesh?
It. Take a move. Create a future. Join Shobit University. One good move makes all the difference. The best way to predict future is to create it. Take a move. Create a future. Join Shobit University. One good move makes all the difference. The best way to predict future is to create it. Take a move. Create a future. Join Shobit University. One good move.
Start, sir, please.
Okay, thank you. India and abroad for this very important webinar today organized by Soviet Institute of Engineering and Technology, Meerut, deemed to be university, Center for Agriculture Informatics and E-Governance Research Studies, and Center for Agribusiness and Disaster Management Studies. The national webinar on doubling farmers' income by 2022 and today's topic is digitalized agriculture value system, Mera Mobile, Mera Marketing. This talk will be given by a very prominent technocrat, Srimati Prakati Kokle. Today's topic is very important in the sense that the Doubling the Farmers' Income by 2022-2018 committee has recognized digitalized agriculture value system for about 400 agriculture commodities. During the COVID situation, this digital technology in agriculture system has brought in digital governance in the whole country. So today's topic is very important for rural India, urban India, and so on and so forth. On behalf of the Honorable Chancellor of the Soviet University, Shri Kanwar Shekhar Vijayendra, and on behalf of the Vice Chancellors of the Soviet University, both in Meerut and Gango, on behalf of the faculty members, and my behalf as the Chairman of Center for Agricultural Informatics and E-Governance Research Studies and Center for Agribusiness Management, Business and Disaster Management Studies, I welcome Srimati Prakati Kokle for today's talk. Before that, let me introduce the topic very well. Today we talk about digital agricultural marketing. Agriculture as a subject is defined as follows, that rural area means wherein more than 85% of the activities are related to agriculture. And rural marketing is including agriculture marketing, and rural marketing refers to the activities undertaken by the marketers to encourage the people living in rural areas to convert their purchasing power into an effective demand for the goods and services, and making this available in the rural areas with the intention to improve their standard of living and achieving the company's objective as a whole. Ways of rural marketing includes urban to rural, rural to rural, and rural to urban. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the former president of India, launched a very famous program called PURA, Provision of Urban Facilities in Rural Areas. The rural market in India generates bigger revenues in the country as the rural region comprises of the maximum consumers in the country. Rural market in Indian economy generates almost more than half of the country's income. Rural market in Indian economy can be classified under two broad categories. These are the market for consumer goods that comprises of both the durable and non-durable goods, market for agricultural informatics inputs that include fertilizer, pesticides, seeds, and so on. Rural marketing, includes affordability, availability, awareness, and acceptability for unlocking the wealth in rural markets. Agriculture marketing means agriculture and marketing. Agriculture marketing system includes two major subsystems: product marketing and input marketing. Product marketing subsystem includes farmers, village primary traders, wholesalers, processors, importers, exporters, marketing cooperatives, regulated marketing committees, and retailers. The input subsystem includes input manufacturers, distributors, related associations, importers, exporters, and others who make available various farm production inputs to the farmers. The agriculture marketing system is understood and developed as a link between farm and non-farm sectors. Digital marketing involves digital marketing for inputs, seeds, fertilizer, agriculture chemicals, etc., and for outputs, products. Social media marketing also includes through Facebook, email, and etc. Agricultural Reforms 2020 has brought out two very important legislation. First, on 5th June, ordinance, and later it's approved by the parliament. This is for as an ecosystem for one nation, one agriculture market. The Farmer Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Ordinance 2020, dated 5th June 2020, it is related to product marketing to provide for the criterion of an ecosystem where the farmers and traders enjoy the freedom of choice relating to sale and purchase of farmers, which facilitates remunerative prices through cooperative alternative trading channel. To promote efficient, transparent, barrier-free interstate and intrastate trade and commerce of farmers' produce outside the physical premises of markets or deemed markets notified under various state agriculture produce market legislation. To provide a facilitative framework for electronic trading and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto, National Framework on Farming Agreements, the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance, and Farm Service Ordinance. This is related to input marketing. The Doubling Farmers' Income by 2022 Committee report has given 7 mission mode projects on use of digital technology in agriculture: digitalized agriculture, digital technology and innovation in agriculture, synergization of Digital India, Make in India, Skill India, and Startup India program for transformational reforms in agriculture sector, smart irrigated farming, smart rainfed farming, and smarter tribal farming. Digitalized agromet advisories and digital agriculture risk management solutions, digitalized agriculture resources information systems, and digitalized agriculture resources information system and micro level planning for achieving smart village and smart farming. Digitalized village chain, value chain for about 400 agriculture commodities. Digitalized access to inputs, technology, knowledge, skill, agricultural finance, credit marketing, and agribusiness management to farmers. Digitalized integrated land and water management system per drop more crop. Digitalized farm health management for reduction of farmers' losses. This digitalized value chain for about 400 agricultural commodities may facilitate formation of more than 6,500 agri startups, one per block, or even 2.25 lakhs agri startup, one per each gram panchayat, which can ease out supply chain lock-in logistic of agriculture value system. Digital technologies like blockchain, IoT, artificial intelligence, big data analytics, GIS, smartphone, internet, cloud computing, language computing facilitate farming community empowered progressively through newly evolving agricultural informatics discipline. BharatNet can be viewed as a digital network for farmers and their value chain. Proposed national database on farmers shall facilitate transaction databases on virtual platforms as described below. Farmers to notify progress of sowing crop-wise on virtual platform through phone. Buyer to notify the demand on virtual platform. Farmer to notify likely arrivals and volume of each commodity. Concurrent dissemination of information on likely demand and present level of supply while sowing is progressing. Dissemination of likely gap or excess of commodity to all stakeholders of farmers. Demand position to be taken a season in advance from the buyers with a maximum rate at which willing to pay. Aggregators to place supply position a season in advance with minimum expected rate. Price forecast to be made based on online information of sowing and demand position. E-marketing of agriculture produces challenges and opportunities, and ICT enabled just 1 minute. Madam, you are online? Hello? Okay. E-marketing of agriculture produces challenges and opportunities. An ICT-enabled value chain, input industry, farmer, output industry, consumer is required for each agriculture produce, and as such, India records about 400 commodity ICT value chain. Concepts and principles of e-commerce, e-business, e-auctioning, e-marketing, and their applications to agribusiness need to be understood. Skill development, competence development is essential for various stakeholders in the value chain. During the period 2010, there have been some path-breaking initiatives. Example, AgMarkNet, e-Krishi Vipanan, e-Mandi, e-Chopal, Haryali Kisan Bazaar, and etc. On 14th April 2016, Government of India, under its Digital India program, has launched its Pan-India online national agriculture portal. On central government budget 2018-19 proposed, develop and upgrade existing 22,000 rural hearts into Gramin agriculture markets to be linked to ENAM, but to be outside the APMC Act regulations. Small and marginal farmers constitute about 90% of the farming community, or nearer to 22,000 rural markets, and rural India. Consumers need to have e-trade platform. Rural markets can become rural virtual markets through private investment and entrepreneurial startups in the agriculture sector. AgMarkNet data is available through opengov.in platform. Skill development for promotion of e-marketing in agriculture sector includes digital marketing and e-entrepreneurship development and agribusiness management, and shall be promoted through certification, diploma, PG diploma, and BTech, MBA, MTech program. Blockchain technology-based agriculture value chain is progressively being built in this country by both centers of excellence, Center for Agricultural Informatics and Research Studies, e-Governance Research Studies, and Center for Agribusiness and Disaster Management Studies of the university are involved. Jantan account, mobile technology, Aadhaar has proved to be a very successful technology. Mera Mobile, Mera Marketing. The existing system available in India. As of 31st December 2018, India had a population of 130 crores. 123 crore Aadhaar digital biometric identity card, 121 crore mobile phones, 44.6 crore smartphones, 56 crore internet users up to users. MyGov.in is a platform to share inputs and ideas on matters of policy and governance. Unified mobile application for new age governance. Umang is the government of India's all-in-one single unified, secure, multi-channel, multi-platform, multilingual, multi-service free mobile app for accessing over 1,200 central and state government services in multiple Indian languages over Android, iOS, Windows, and USSD feature phone devices. Bharat Interface for Money, Beam app developed by National Payment Corporation of India based on Unified Payment Interface Gateway. Jam Trinity Technology, Jantan Account, Aadhaar, and Mobile. Today's topic is on Mission Mera Mobile, Mera Marketing. This talk is given by Shrimati. Madam, can you put your photo on? Madam, can you put your photo on so that people can see that? This talk is being given by Shrimati Prakati Gokhale. She was the former Deputy Director, Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Rural Industrialization, National Institute under Ministry of MSME, Government of India, Wardha, Maharashtra. She is a personal advisor, Rajiv Gandhi Science and Technology Commission, Government of Maharashtra, and also National Resource Person, Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India, New Delhi, and founder of Market Mirchi. Madam Prakati Gokhale is the.
Should I start?
No, just 1 minute. Let me complete your, introduction. She has around 40 years of rich experience in multiple disciplines, namely statistics, ICT, e-governance, ERP, entrepreneurship development, digital marketing, rural development, and data sciences. She did her post-graduation MSc from Nagpur University, and she is the gold medalist and university topper. While working in Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Rural Industrialization, her work profile included strengthening rural industrialization using various management and ICT techniques, working in integrated manner to achieve end-to-end rural entrepreneurship development, starting from problem identification up to marketing, network support, providing strategic consultants to various entrepreneurship development programs organized by MSME sector, providing administrative support for e-governance. And she has recently received Krishi Bhushan Award in institutional and personal category at Bhopal by Government of Madhya Pradesh and NABARD for the project Mission Mera Mobile, Mera Marketing. And she was also finalist for Janki Devi Bajaj Award for promoting rural entrepreneurship. And to mention, she has got a lot of credits. She has been appointed as an expert committee member for evaluation of projects and science and technology intervention for women empowerment by the Honorable Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, and so on and so forth. Her paper presented on digital empowerment for agro and rural entrepreneurs was highly appreciated in the 12th International Agri-Science Congress held at Karnal, and bites were shown on national channels. She played a very vital role in digitally empowering MSME clusters, Spruti clusters, and Krishi Vigyan Kendras, and organized digital marketing, ISO, barcode, ERP, patenting seminars, and so on and so forth. United Nations ESCAP program have conceptually agreed to integrate Mission Mera Mobile, Mera Marketing in their upcoming programs of digitally empowered women in South Asia. Madam Prakati Gokhale, over to you for your talk.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Am I audible?
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, audible.
Okay. Namaskar to all. And today, and also happy Diwali to all. From tomorrow,
you.
we will have our festival of lights in this pandemic situation also. I will, first of all, start with a small story. And it is about how Mission Mera Mobile Mera Marketing and marketmirchi.com, all these, what should I say, things took place. As sir mentioned, I was working as I was selected as a principal scientist for Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Rural Industrialization. It is a national institute under Ministry of MSME, and it was first of its kind. Means we can say that it is the latest baby of Government of India, and it was born out of a thinking and out of a collaborative project from IIT Delhi and Khadi and Village Industries Commission to provide science and technology input to the rural industries in India. So I was selected there around 10 years back. In 2009, 9-10, and the institute was born itself in that year only, and we all scientists in various domains joined there. As I should share with you, I am a hardcore IT professional. मैं सॉफ्टवेयर बनाती थी, वेबसाइट्स बनाती थी, and I was like a ivory person, because for software, you know that we used to work for mostly for the foreign countries, and we used to get money in dollars. So it was like a ivory tower person, and I had no exposure about to the problems and all the means things happening at the bottom of the pyramid. But since it was a nice high profile post and through Government of India, so I joined that institute. It was in Wardha, and credit goes to our that time director, who, in spite of being a central government institute and high profile post, took all of us, took all scientists to the orientation program. It was a month of May in our Nagpur and Vidarbha. It is very hot that time. But he took us to the for the orientation program to the suicide-prone farmers of our Wardha and Yavatmal district, to the NGOs working in the Gadchiroli and Chandrapur district in the Nustlight areas. And also, he had a lot of, he took us to the self-help groups working in all those districts. So during the that lot of interaction with the people, I came to know what my role will be in that institute. Because as I already told you, I was not aware, but since it was a high profile post, I joined. It happened like that, that we were standing among farmers and self-help groups in one small village in Selu. And people started asking me questions and all that. So many things from government side for us. You are giving us trainings. You give us some funding. And when we, based on that training and funding, when we start producing something, or even when we want to sell our farm produce, there are no shops for us to sell it in the urban area. Why not you provide us shops so that we can market our products? So he or she who asked me question was very right. And I studied what is done from government side to solve this problem. So I found that from government side, from various ministries, including our ministry, KVIC was organizing exhibitions for rural products. NABARD is organizing exhibitions. Even for farmers, the Dhanya Bazaar, we call it in Maharashtra, are organized for farmers. And where all these rural people come and sell their products and they get a good profit. So there is a demand from urban areas for these products, but there is no showcasing of these products. And from government even Mahalakshmi Saras Mela is organized every year at this at Pragati Maidan also, and at Mumbai and all the places. So government is trying to showcase these products through various exhibitions. But for it is not possible for government also and for the rural people also to have these exhibitions held 24/7 or throughout the year. So by leveraging my IT knowledge, I develop a platform called marketmirchi.com so that all these rural products can be showcased 24/7 and not only pan India, pan world. So why we choose the name Market Mirchi? Because we wanted a name that nobody should forget. मिर्ची नाम कोई भूलता नहीं है. हम लोग ऐसा उसका स्लोगन बनाए कि marketmirchi.com, मार्केट का देसी तड़का. So it is the first part of story. And then why the name came Mission Mera Mobile, Mera Market. It was around 2010-11, and that time the internet has not reached even the lower parts of, means in the at the grassroots level, and even these smartphones were also not available. So what we used to do, we used to visit various workshops, various exhibitions arranged by government, and there we used to announce about marketmirchi.com. And we asked the stallholders or the farmers, जो भी आते थे, कि you put details of your products on the form, and back home our data entry operators used to upload these forms on the our system on the marketmirchi.com. So this was happening for around 2-3 years, but there was some gap, and I had started witnessing that gap. So what was that gap? The people, means rural people, were filling up the forms and they were just forgetting, because they were not doing anything of posting ads or finding buyers like things. And it happened like that for a product in Hosur in Karnataka. There was a demand for that. That was a very powerful medicine they were having, herbal medicine for the baldness. And there was a demand for this product on marketmirchi.com through Germany. And it was like a people live in that small town, Hosur, because they have just filled up the pro forma and they have forgotten. And when the inquiry came from Germany, they were not able to even deal with it. But since they have also included my number, I intervened and the deal went on. So that was a gap I was witnessing, and it came around 2014-2015. And what happened? I went to Bhuj for the promotion of this marketmirchi.com, and it was a big agriculture exhibition organized by our ministry only. And I went with my laptop as usual, but suddenly my laptop stopped working. But the guy who was assisting me was very smart. He said, Madam, no need of laptop. We can show it on our mobile. Oh, I was also surprised. It was 2014-15 and Digital India thoda thoda routing shuru ho gaya tha uska. And he said, oh, then I said, okay, we can show on our smartphone. And the girl sitting at the corner, at the reception counter of the exhibition, wo announce karte hai na, wo. She was super smart. She started announcing Mharo mobile se Mharo marketing, Mharo mobile se Mharo marketing. It was Gujarat Rajasthan border. So Bhuj. So she started announcing in Gujarati. And to tell you, there was a huge lamba queue tha mere samne. Long queue of farmers with their smartphones, and everybody asking me to teach them how they can post their ads and how they can do their free marketing using their mobile. And they have such a posh smartphones that I was ashamed of my smartphone that day. And that day we named our movement as Mission Mera Mobile Mera Marketing. And I think you must have understood why I have told this story. Power of digitally empowering, or power of giving all the benefits, or means disabling digital divide, will go to the bottom of pyramid only through mobile. So at present, what Mission Mera Mobile Mera Marketing has. It has 3 key components. First is, of course, marketmirchi.com. Based on our experience, we have leveraged marketmirchi.com in such a way that even a layman, and actually it is happening all over India, farmers are posting their ads using their mobiles and using marketmirchi.com. So we have made it as simple as possible. First, we have developed it not like an app, because we know the bottleneck in the rural areas. उनको वो भी सिखाना पड़ता है, go to Play Store, download, फिर वो कुछ space adjustment रहती है. So we have developed it in a progressive web app technology. So no need to download like app for marketmirchi.com, but you can make its icon using an option given at the right hand corner on your home screen of mobile, exactly like app. It has an exact look and feel like app. Marketmirchi.com is of course multilingual, available in all Indian languages. You can change the language, and it has very simple interface. You have to either post your ads, sell ads, either buy or job section. Job we have introduced for connecting rural youths with the job sector in agriculture and rural domain. दूसरा हमारा इंटरेस्ट ये भी था, if rural youths are using this marketmirchi.com, then they can directly help their parents to post their farm produce ads and other rural products ads also. So marketmirchi.com has 3 tabs: sale, buy, and jobs, and all major categories which comes under agriculture and rural domain. Here you will find grains, pulses, vegetables, fruits, rural service providers, then the typical inputs, fruits, fertilizers and all, biofertilizers, rural events, everything. All 26 categories and n number of subcategories are there. Initially, you don't need to register. You just start with your action. If you are a farmer, click on the post free sales ad button, select a category, suppose vegetable, give your heading, your details, and at the end, there is a new user registration. Registration also we have kept simple. No email and everything is not mandatory. CAPTCHA and everything is not mandatory. In the 1 minute, your ad is posted with a photo and you get the link of buyers in SMS. Then we have introduced one new feature that when you get a SMS in your mobile, you have to that SMS, that link will take you to the buy section of marketmirchi.com, and your active rank increases depending on the number of buyers you contact on the marketmirchi.com. And depending on your active rank, the number of buyers contacting you, a number of buyers viewing your ad also increases. So this is about first component of Mission Mera Mobile Mera Marketing, that is marketmirchi.com. Second component is backend linkages. It was very difficult because connecting unconnected, that was a theme on which Mission Mera Mobile Mera Marketing is working. So here, MKCL, Maharashtra Knowledge Corporation Limited, has developed Hindi videos for us, which explains how this marketmirchi can be effectively operated. And these videos are shared through NABARD, through NRLM, and maximum number of NGOs, through Krishi Vignan Kendras, community radios, to the farmers, self-help groups, and all. During Corona, we even started conducting webinars for directly onboarding these farmers, self-help groups, FPOs on marketmirchi.com with the help of various NGOs and KVKs and other organizations. So this is the second part, creating backend linkages. And even through media and community radios and print media and this, what should I say, TV. TV has also broadcasted the news about this initiative. And when it was live on Maharashtra Doordarshan, the news. So that day, within 1 hour, there were 4,000 farmers working on marketmirchi.com, posting their sites and finding buyers. So this is a power of media. So this is a second part of Mission Mera Mobile Mera Marketing, creating backend linkages. Third part is also very important because buyers to aa gaye. As you know that it is a problem like chicken egg problem. So jab tak sellers nahi, buyers nahi, jab tak buyers nahi, sellers nahi. But we are successful to solve this problem, and IIT Mumbai has partnered with us, and they are working on artificial intelligence modules, and through social media and by tapping supply chain events and through artificial intelligence
Hello, madam. Your link is down, I believe.
It is not a e-commerce hub. It is an
Madam,
open buyer seller
just 1
hub.
minute.
So,
We have, madam, can you,
huh.
for about 1 minute, we were not able to hear you. So,
So should I repeat?
yeah, from IIT Mumbai connection.
So IIT Mumbai is working with us, partnered with Mission Mera Mobile Mera Marketing, and they are supporting in developing artificial intelligence modules for finding buyers for these rural products. Okay. So this is all about Mission Mera Mobile Mera Marketing. It is totally free, open social mission. I am taking it ahead as a movement, and up till now, more than 65% direct market linkages are generated by this free but open social movement. Even BJP leaders, BJP Kisan Morcha had shown an interest in marketmirchi.com, and soon its link will be on krishakmitra.gov.in, Government of India's agriculture portal, because it is a real success story of what their agriculture reforms are doing and how farmers are taking advantage of open markets and finding buyers for themselves and getting ahead. Even BBC News has broadcasted our story with this beneficiary also, who has been benefited by this marketmirchi.com in its nursery business. So this is all about Mission Mera Mobile Mera Marketing. And I'm even this National Bamboo Mission has partnered with us, and we have introduced a category bamboo, forestry, and herbal on their request. And another thing in partnership is with Audiowala Bus Stand. They are now soon becoming a strategic partner for marketmirchi.com, and soon on 100 bus stands in rural India, the jingle for marketmirchi.com will be played. So it is one of its kind. It is totally free, open social mission, not funded by government, not funded by any other organization, or not it is having a social enterprise model. I started it as giving back to society from my end, but now बहुत से organizations इसके साथ जुड़ रहे हैं और कारवा बढ़ रहा है. So this is all about Mission Mera Mobile Mera Marketing. I'm thankful to Shobit University for becoming a strategic partner, one sort of. And I request sir to share the video and the PowerPoint presentation, because I am at the remote place in Gujarat right now, and there is some net connectivity issue. So it is over to you, sir. And if any question and answers, we will take it.
First, hello? Hello?
बोलिए sir.
Shall we show the film first and then video, the video first and then the PowerPoint, or PowerPoint and then video?
As you like, sir.
Okay, so now let me then Mr. Akhilesh, can you show the video?
आपके सारे कृषि तथा ग्रामीण उत्पादनों की मुफ्त यानी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मार्केटिंग करने के लिए इतना ही नहीं तो आपके खुद के सर्विसेज की बायोडेटा की भी मार्केटिंग करने के लिए marketmirchi.com ये एक बहुत ही बढ़िया ऑप्शन है। यहाँ आसानी से आप आपके ज़रूरी उत्पाद खरीद भी सकते हैं और आपके खुद के उत्पाद बेच भी सकते हैं।
तो आइए देखें, इसके लिए हम क्रोम ब्राउज़र का उपयोग करेंगे। यहाँ पे सर्च एड्रेस में हम लिखेंगे www.marketmirchi यानी उसका स्पेलिंग है MARKETMIRCHI और आगे जोड़ेंगे .com और अब एंटर का बटन दबाएंगे तो देखिए ये है marketmirchi.com की साइट। और हाँ, आपको तो ध्यान में आया ही होगा कि ये कोई ऐप नहीं है जिसे डाउनलोड करना है। यह तो एक वेबसाइट है जो आप आपके मोबाइल से या अगर आपके पास उपलब्ध हो तो किसी लैपटॉप या कंप्यूटर से भी खोल सकते हैं। इस साइट में सबसे पहली बात जो मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी वो है आप इसकी भाषा बदल सकते हैं। इसके लिए देखिए सिलेक्ट लैंग्वेज के ड्रॉप डाउन पे क्लिक कीजिए और यहाँ पे अलग अलग भाषाएं आपके सामने प्रस्तुत होंगी, जिसमें से जो आपको आसान लगे उस भाषा में आप इस वेबसाइट को देख सकते हैं। जैसे ही भाषा बदले वैसे ही वेबसाइट की सारे ऑप्शंस, सारी कैटेगरियाँ, सारे बटन्स यह हिंदी में प्रदर्शित होना शुरू हो गए। अभी के लिए मैं उसको फिर से अंग्रेज़ी करती हूँ। तो देखिए इस वेबसाइट में आपको 3 बटन आसानी से दिखाई देंगे। एक है सेल, दूसरा है बाय और तीसरा है जॉब्स। एक एक करके हर एक की तरफ देखें। पहला बटन है सेल यानी बेचना। इस सेल सेक्शन में अगर आप देखें तो आपको एक बड़ा सा पीला बटन दिखाई देगा जिसमें आप आपके उत्पादों की बेचने की फ्री में ऐड यहाँ पे पोस्ट कर सकते हैं। और इसको पोस्ट करने के लिए यहाँ पे 26 अलग अलग श्रेणियाँ आपको दिखाई देंगी। इसमें से कोई भी श्रेणी अगर आप खोल के देखें तो आप देख पाएंगे कि भारत के अलग अलग जगहों से बहुत सारे किसानों ने अपने अपने उत्पादों की यहाँ पे एडवर्टीजमेंट्स डाली हुई हैं। यदि आप इसमें से कोई भी उत्पाद खरीदना चाहते हैं तो यहाँ पे क्लिक करके आप उन किसानों से डायरेक्टली कॉल पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। और पोस्ट फ्री सेल्स ऐड के ज़रिए जैसे ही आप इस वेबसाइट पे अपनी एडवर्टीज़मेंट पोस्ट करेंगे आपको बायर्स की लिंक SMS द्वारा प्राप्त हो जाएगी। चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे की सेक्शन की ओर जो है बाय। बाय यानी खरीदारी। यहाँ पे भी बाय इस सेक्शन में आपको जो उत्पाद खरीदना है उसकी ऐड आप यहाँ पे डाल सकते हो। मतलब समझिए कि कुछ ऐसे सीड्स आपको चाहिए जो अभी सेल के एडवर्टीजमेंट्स में आपको दिखाई नहीं दिए, तो आप यहाँ पे जाके तो आपको जिस टाइप के सीड्स खरीदने हैं उसकी ऐड आप यहाँ पे दे सकते हैं। और यहाँ जैसे ही बाय की एडवर्टीजमेंट आप पोस्ट करेंगे तो आपको सेलर्स की लिंक आपके SMS पे आ जाएगी। अब चलते हैं तीसरी सेक्शन की ओर जो है जॉब्स। इस जॉब्स सेक्शन में आप देख पाएंगे कि अलग अलग सेक्टर्स हैं जैसे कि एग्रीकल्चर, वेटरनरी, डेयरी, डीलरशिप, मेडिकल एंड हेल्थ केयर इत्यादि। और यहाँ पे नीचे आपको 2 सेक्शंस दिखाई देंगे जो है जॉब्स सेक्शन और एम्प्लॉय सेक्शन। अब आपको यहाँ पे देख के समझ आ चुका होगा कि फ्री जॉब्स ऐड इस बटन पे क्लिक करने के बाद अगर आप एग्रीकल्चर या डेयरी या वेटरनरी इस क्षेत्र में काम करते हैं और आपको किसी स्किल्ड उम्मीदवार की ज़रूरत है तो आप यहाँ पे उसके लिए ऐड पोस्ट कर सकते हैं। और यहाँ पे नीचे एम्प्लॉय सेक्शन में अगर देखा जाए तो हमारे ऐसे युवक जिन्हें एग्री सेक्टर में काम करने का तजुर्बा हो या जो इस सेक्टर में जॉब पाना चाहते हों वो यहाँ अपना बायोडेटा पोस्ट कर सकते हैं। जिस तरह से ऐड डालने के बाद में बायर्स या सेलर्स के नंबर आपके पास आ जाएंगे, वैसे ही यहाँ पे जॉब्स की ऐड या फिर बायोडेटा को पोस्ट करने के बाद आपके पास SMS के द्वारा इस चीज़ से संबंधित या तो उम्मीदवारों के नाम आ जाएंगे या फिर उम्मीदवारों के पास जॉब के लिए कहाँ एप्लीकेशन डालने हैं उसकी लिंक। देखिए यहाँ पे जॉब एडवर्टीजमेंट्स या बायोडेटा पोस्ट करने की विशेषता यह है कि यहाँ कृषि व ग्रामीण उत्पाद क्षेत्र से जुड़े लोग हर रोज़ इस वेबसाइट को विजिट करते हैं। आपकी जानकारी के लिए बता दूं, कम से कम 200 लोग इस वेबसाइट का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जिसके चलते यहाँ पे अपेक्षित जॉब एवं अपेक्षित उम्मीदवार मिलने की संभावना काफ़ी अधिक होती है। तो चलिए अब देखते हैं कि अगर हमें एक सेलिंग एडवर्टीजमेंट पोस्ट करनी है तो क्या करें। सेल सेक्शन में जाएं और यहाँ पे पोस्ट फ्री सेल्स ऐड पर क्लिक करें। तो जैसे मान लीजिए कि फ्रूट्स यानी फल बेचने के लिए एडवर्टीजमेंट को पोस्ट करना है, तो हम फ्रूट्स सेक्शन पे क्लिक करेंगे और यहाँ पे आप देख पाएंगे कि यहाँ पे एक सब कैटेगरी का सेक्शन खुलेगा। इसमें से अगर किसी फल के बारे में एडवर्टीजमेंट देनी है तो उस फल को आप सिलेक्ट करें। अगर ऐसा कोई फल है जो इस लिस्ट में नहीं है तो आप एनी फ्रूट्स पे क्लिक करें। और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण जो इस ऐड के लिए है वो है हेडिंग फॉर सेल, क्योंकि ध्यान रखें यह सिर्फ 50 अक्षरों तक ही सीमित होता है और यही एडवर्टीजमेंट पोस्ट करने के बाद होम पेज पे दिखाई देगा और उसी द्वारा तो आपको लोग कॉल करेंगे। तो यह एकदम स्पष्ट होना चाहिए। जैसे हम यहाँ पे लिखते हैं और यहाँ पे सेल्स डिटेल्स में आपको इस बारे में कुछ और जानकारी देनी होगी और उसके नीचे प्राइस में सिर्फ अंकों का उपयोग करें, जैसे कि 500। इसमें रुपये लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। और हाँ, ध्यान रहे अगर यहाँ पे प्राइस डालते वक्त आपके चीज़ों की कीमत निगोशिएबल है, मतलब कि भाव ताव किया जा सकता है, तो उसमें बस 0 लिखें, जिससे इस ऐड को देखने वाले को समझ में आ जाए कि इस सौदे में भाव ताव किया जा सकता है। और यूनिट मतलब कितने मात्रा में आप इसे बेचना चाहते हैं, उस अनुसार आप यहाँ पे यूनिट को सिलेक्ट करें, जैसे कि किलोग्राम्स, क्विंटल्स, लीटर, स्क्वायर फीट, एकड़ इत्यादि। अभी के लिए मैं किलोग्राम का यूज़ करूँगी। और यहाँ पे नीचे आपको 2 बटन दिखेंगे, एक है ओल्ड यूज़र लॉगिन और दूसरा है न्यू यूज़र रजिस्ट्रेशन। अगर आप पहली बार इस वेबसाइट पे आए हैं तो क्लिक करें न्यू यूज़र रजिस्ट्रेशन और यहाँ पे बस आपको आपकी कुछ जानकारी देनी है, जैसे कि नाम, एड्रेस, आप कहाँ से है, अगर आपके पास ईमेल आईडी है तो, और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है आपका मोबाइल नंबर। देखिए यहाँ पे आपको जो स्टार्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं उसका मतलब है यह जानकारी यहाँ पे डालना अत्यावश्यक है। और जहाँ पे ये स्टार नहीं है, जैसे कि ईमेल या एड्रेस, तो यह जानकारी नहीं होने से भी आपका लॉगिन बन सकता है। मेरे पास पहले से ही एक लॉगिन है, जिसके चलते मैं ओल्ड यूज़र लॉगिन पे क्लिक करूँगी और यहाँ पे मैं अपना लॉगिन आईडी डालूँगी। याद रखिए आपको आपका मोबाइल नंबर या यूज़र नेम और आपका पासवर्ड हमेशा याद रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। यहाँ पे सुविधा के लिए आप रिमेंबर मी नेक्स्ट टाइम इस चेकबॉक्स पे भी क्लिक कर सकते हैं, जिससे हर बार आपको अलग से लॉगिन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। अब मैं लॉगिन पे क्लिक करती हूँ तो अब आप देख पाएंगे कि मेरे स्क्रीन पे मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है योर सेल्स एडवर्टीजमेंट इज़ सक्सेसफुली पोस्टेड, फाइंड इट इन सेल्स सेक्शन अंडर योर चोजन कैटेगरी। और इसी के चलते अलग अलग बायर्स से मैं डायरेक्टली कांटेक्ट कर सकती हूँ बाय सेक्शन के अंडर। और उसके नीचे आपको 3 लिंक्स दिखाई देंगे। एक है अपलोड फ़ोटोज़ फॉर योर ऐड नाउ, मतलब कि जो ऐड अभी मैंने पोस्ट की उसके लिए फ़ोटोज़ डालना, बायर्स को कांटेक्ट करना और मेरे एड्स पेज पे जाना। अभी के लिए अगर मैं अपलोड फ़ोटोज़ फॉर योर ऐड देखूं तो देखिए मेरे सेल्स ऐड के पेज पे मैं चली गई, जहां से ये ऐड जो मैंने अभी डाली थी उसके फ़ोटोज़ लिंक पर क्लिक करने के बाद मैं यहाँ पे मेरे उत्पाद के फ़ोटो डाल सकती हूँ। तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं, जिसके लिए इस बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे और हम होम बटन पे क्लिक करने के बाद फिर से सेल बाय और जॉब्स सेक्शन में जा सकते हैं। तो चलिए ज़रा बाय सेक्शन में जाके देखते हैं। यहाँ पे वेजिटेबल्स पे अगर क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको दिखाई देगा अलग अलग भाषाओं में अलग अलग चीज़ें खरीदने के लिए एड्स यहाँ पे पोस्टेड दिखेंगी। तो जैसे ही मैं एक पे क्लिक करके देखती हूँ, यहाँ पे आपको नीचे दिखाई देंगे रिस्पॉन्सेस टू एडवर्टीजमेंट, यानी इस एडवर्टीजमेंट के रिस्पॉन्स में एक सेलर ने ऑलरेडी इस बायर को कॉल कर दिया है। तो ऐसे ही अगर आपको आपका कोई उत्पाद बेचना हो तो आप यहाँ पे कॉल बटन पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं। जैसे ही कॉल बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आपको डालना होगा आपका नाम, आपका ईमेल आईडी और आपका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, और फिर जैसे ही कॉल बटन पे आप क्लिक करेंगे आपको ये एडवर्टीजमेंट जिन्होंने पोस्ट की है उनका नंबर आपके स्क्रीन पे दिखने लगेगा। तो आइए चले हम मेन मेनू में जाते हैं। यहाँ पे आपको दिखाई देगा माय एड्स, ये एक सेक्शन। यहाँ पे आपने आज तक जो भी एड्स पोस्ट किए हैं वो यहाँ पे दिखाई देंगे। जैसे कि सेल्स के 2 ऐड हैं, बायोडेटा के लिए अभी तक मैंने ऐड नहीं दिए हैं और ना ही जॉब के लिए, और वांटेड के लिए भी मैंने अभी तक नहीं दिए हैं, मतलब कि बायर ऐड। तो जो जो एड्स मैं यहाँ पे पोस्ट करती रहूँगी वो यहाँ पे मुझे दिखाई देते रहेंगे। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। यहाँ पे माय ऐड रिस्पॉन्सेस में अगर जाके देखें तो हमें पता पड़ेगा कि मेरे बाय ऐड रिस्पॉन्स के लिए मुझे कौन से लोगों से रिप्लाई आया हुआ है, और उन्होंने दिया हुआ रिस्पॉन्स अगर मुझे ठीक लगे तो मैं रिप्लाई बटन पे क्लिक करके उनसे आगे बातचीत बढ़ा सकती हूँ। यहाँ पे देखिए हेल्प में आप पा सकते हैं इस वेबसाइट को अच्छे से इस्तेमाल करने की पूरी जानकारी। और मेरा मोबाइल मेरा मार्केटिंग, ये हमारा जो MKCL के साथ एक इनिशिएटिव है, उसके बारे में आप यहाँ पे सारी जानकारी पा सकते हैं। इस मेरा मोबाइल मेरा मार्केटिंग इनिशिएटिव के द्वारा और marketmirchi.com इस वेबसाइट के द्वारा बहुत ही आसानी से कई सारे किसान भाई और ग्रामीण तथा कृषि सेक्टर से जुड़े सभी लोग, छोटे मोटे व्यावसायिक यहाँ जुड़ सकते हैं और तुरंत ही आपस में बेचने खरीदने का सौदा कर सकते हैं। आपकी जानकारी के लिए बता दूं, 60% से ज़्यादा ग्रामीण उत्पादों की लेन देन इस वेबसाइट के द्वारा होती है। इसीलिए तो marketmirchi.com शहरों से जोड़े ग्राम, बिक्री खरीदारी या रोजगार, संपर्क सीधा बनाए काम।
Thank you, madam. And now I will share the screen. Is it visible?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll go through one after another, and you can say next. I will press it.
You just press it because everything which I have to talk is covered in this presentation. So you
Okay,
just
so,
share one by one. And then we will go to question answers, if any.
Okay.
This is about our mission and vision, which I have already spoken. Next. Background. I have explained you entire story of mission Mera Mobile, Mera Marketing. Next. So these are our 3-4 components which I explained to you. First core component, marketmirchi.com. Second, next. Second clerk operator, that is creation of backend linkages. That is one part of this backend linkages creation is this video which you just have visualized. Next. Third core component, finding buyers, front-end linkages. Next. Fourth core component, which I have not mentioned, that is about data analytics part that we are using with open source, doing it with open source software and useful for the data analytics results which we get. These are backstream in the database of marketmirchi.com again. Next. These are certain screenshots. Next. Next. गोबर, गाय का जो गोबर रहता है ना, वो भी आजकल marketmirchi.com पे सेल होने लगा है. These are our field dissemination programs, of course, before Corona. This was arranged by NABARD. Next. Outcome already I have discussed. Next. अपने मोबाइल से अपनी मार्केटिंग marketmirchi.com क्लिक करो लिंक. This is one of our slogans. Next. This is end.
Yeah, this madam, this is I think you can spend some time on this one because this is very important. You can you explain about each component of this slide?
No, sir, it is already explained. Everything is already explained. No.
Okay.
So if there are any question answers, it will be better. If there are no participants, there is no point in carrying it forward. If there are any question answers, all the points I will make clear if they have any questions.
Okay, very nice that. Okay.
But it is
So
a
the
real
thing
life story. It is not a college project or research project, anything. So I can share with you success stories of this. Like that, I have shared with you that even cow dung is selling on this website. And the person who has advertised in such a good way that desi gai ka shuddha gobar home havan ke liye. And he found buyers on marketmirchi.com. This is the power of digital India, and this is the power of this platform.
Okay, very nice, madam. So can I stop that video? There's a PowerPoint now. Can we get on to the discussion?
Sure.
Okay. Okay. So now it is a very nice success story. You can put your photograph on, madam.
Yeah.
Camera on. And I will also request the Chancellor of the University, Shri Kanwar Shekhar Vijayendra, also to come on live. Okay, I welcome the Honorable Chancellor Kanwar Shekhar Vijayendra, and it is, Madam, it was a very nice success story which you have presented. And it started from pre-COVID situation. Now it was extensively used during the COVID situations, and also is it is very important to note that it is using almost many Indian languages, and for anybody to participate in this program, and facilitates both agriculture and rural marketing. And before we get on to the discussion, I would like to invite the Honorable Chancellor to give his remark. And the Honorable Chancellor Shri Kanwar Shekhar Vijayendra is the co-founder and Chancellor of Sobit Institute of Engineering and Technology, Meerut, and also Sobit University, Ganga, Uttar Pradesh. He is a prominent social entrepreneur based in New Delhi and carries leadership roles in many organizations. He has been nominated as the co-chairman of National Council on Education of ASSOCHAM, the oldest apex chamber of commerce in India for the year 2021. Shri Kanwar Vijayendra is a persistent advocate of initiatives for education for all, secular values, crisis management through diplomatic and peaceful ways, and globalized system of learning and harmonious coexistence. He has been instrumental in the development of a number of higher educational institutes in North India, including 2 universities, many research centers, and Ayurved Medical College, College of Naturopathy and Yogi Sciences, and a 100-bed eyes hospital. He is very actively involved with a number of social organizations. Acknowledging his contribution in the areas of education and other concern, he has been copiously honored and awarded. He has traveled widely in India and abroad, and to the countries like USA, UK, Germany, and Australia, Russia, China, South Korea, Vietnam, Mongolia, UAE, Mauritius, Rwanda, Uganda, and Croatia, etc., to participate in various professional, social, and educational activities. Shri Kanwar Shekhar Vijayendra is a passionate Gandhian, avid reader, keen learner, and social speaker, occasional poet, and dreamer. Honorable Chancellor, I would like to introduce that the main speaker, keynote speaker, Madam Prakati Kokale. She was the former deputy director and principal scientist of Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Rural Industrialization. It is a joint project of IIT Delhi and KVIC, Khadi Village Industries, Commission. And her project on mission, Mera, mobile Mera marketing, is making a sound wave in the country, and she has explained the mission behind it, the background behind it, in the the objective behind it, and how it is being helping the farmers at the grassroots level without much difficulty in promoting and advertising and selling their products at remunerative prices. And this is sorry, also used, and Maharashtra
Krish, just check what is the issue with the signals.
Sure, sir.
Now it is audible. Now it is audible.
Okay. Professor Moni?
Yeah, it is audible now.
Mhm.
Some network issues there, sir.
Okay, fine. So shall we wait for him?
Yes, sir. I'm talking to him.
Yeah. ठीक है. So fine till Professor Moni joins. I'm really pleased to address my valedictory remarks in this very important webinar organized by Center for Agriculture Informatics and E-Governance Research Studies and Center for Agribusiness and Disaster Management Studies of Shobhit Deemed University, Meerut, on a very relevant topic. We all are aware that every week these two centers are organizing a webinar series, a national webinar series on doubling farmers' income by 2022. And today's topic of the webinar is Mera Mobile, Mera Marketing. When this topic was shared with me by Professor Moni, I was curious to know that what Mera Mobile, Mera Marketing is all about. But after listening to Mrs. Pragati Gokhale, founder and chief mentor of Mission Mera Mobile, Mera Marketing, I'm glad, I'm satisfied, and I'm happy that in India, such wonderful initiatives are happening to make the dream, the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Bhai Modi ji, that we all have to work to double the income of our farmers by 2022, a reality. When Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the President of India, he gave a call, PURA, provision of urban facilities in rural areas. And it is happening also throughout the country if we look at. But the question remains that how these urban products, urban goods will be made available and how we can make them available to urban areas. And this rural marketing will give a way from rural to rural, from rural to urban, and even from urban to rural. I congratulate and compliment Mrs. Pragati Gokhale for her wonderful initiative and the center for organizing this particular webinar today. When we look at rural marketing needs affordability, availability, awareness, and acceptability. Because many things what are there, they are affordable within the rural areas, but nobody knows how to make them affordable for the urban areas, how the marketing will be done, how the transport, logistic issues will be taken care. Availability, a lot of things are there, but in urban areas, either they are not available directly, and if they are available through a so big chain that the real stakeholder, the farmer, they do not get much out of it. Awareness is not there, and acceptability, which is a big challenge. I'm seeing a lot of success stories in Western UP also, where farmers started making goods, food items, consumable goods out of their yield, their crops, and acceptability has been increased. Marketingmirchi.com. I was seeing the movie and later on I saw the presentation. A very interesting concept indeed. I have seen so many platforms where we are talking and facilitating farmers to buy and sell their products. But here in marketmirchi.com, the unique feature is jobs. It is a complete cycle of empowerment. This cycle wants that everybody should get empowered. Not only that you can buy or you can sell, but in case you need a job, that accessibility has been given. This is wonderful. This creation of back-end linkage and creation of front-end linkage is wonderful. And this is what exactly is required if we talk about doubling the farmers' income, or if we want to support our farmers in a long way. Digitalized agriculture, we all are talking about from a long time. But how to make our farmers informed, how to train them? We need such initiatives as, again, I will mention, like this marketmirchi.com. One, it is bilingual, multilingual indeed. Secondly, it is so simple to use, so user-friendly. Third, it has a big outreach. Such initiatives are needed to make our farming, our farmers, and their produce accessible and available to all throughout the country. A trinity of technology is there nowadays. Jan Dhan account is there, mobile technology is there, and Aadhaar. This trinity technology has proved that when technology, willingness, initiatives, they come together, a big change can come. And I am sure that such initiatives, as it has been taken by Dr. Gokhale, will always come. And the dream of Honorable Prime Minister that every farmer should be able to get his income doubled in coming years will be fulfilled. Madam Pragati Gokhale, I always say that we have to replace the word success with progress. And the meaning of your name is also progress. I am a believer that we all can be successful. We can be successful entrepreneur, we can be successful philanthropist, we can be successful technocrat, scientist, social worker, bureaucrat, teacher, what not. But if our success is contributing in the progress of the society or not, this is what is very important. And I am happy that, as your name is, the same way your work is contributing in the progress of the society. So my big thanks to you. My compliments to Professor Moni, the chairman of our centers, for his untiring effort and initiative. And I am sure that this series of webinars, when it is broadcasted on YouTube channel of the university and on Facebook, it is live. So many people get inspiration. So many people want to get involved. And with your initiative also, madam, many more people will get involved, and we will be able to develop an ecosystem where, in spite of thinking how it is possible to double the income of farmer, we all will say, yes, it is possible, and let me contribute. And that day is very near. I'm thankful to Dr. Ashok Dalwai also, who is the patron of this national webinar series, and he's chairing the Doubling Farmers Income Committee also of the Government of India. I'm thankful to everybody who is contributing in this direction. So my all good wishes. Thank you very much. I feel there is an issue with the link of Professor Moni. Dr. Pragati Gokhale, are you there?
Yeah, I am here, and thank you very much, sir, for your kind words.
No, it's always a pleasure. It's always a pleasure, and I will like to have a special session of yours for our students of your success story, how you transformed yourself from being where you had been and where you are today. You mentioned during your talk that you are at present somewhere in rural areas of Gujarat. So
No, right now I have come to Gujarat for celebrating Diwali with my daughter. My
Okay.
son-in-law is a collector here at the
Okay.
border of Gujarat and Rajasthan.
I see. But
Boda,
still,
at Aravalli district.
okay. Okay.
That
So,
is why there is a net issue here. But
mhm.
n number of MBA agribusiness students are also working with us as a for a live project experience and as a interns. So
Okay.
students of your university can also, if they are
I will ensure this thing that few of them join your initiative, and I'm sure that if I look at the data, like 130 crore population, according to the Sensex of 2018, with 121 crore mobiles. So it means your initiative is actually what says "Karlo muthi duniya mein or duniya muthi mein." You are
yeah,
actually
exactly.
supporting them
Yeah,
to make it possible by their own efforts. There is no
yeah,
need of any intervention. Directly, they can connect with the buyers, they can connect with the sellers, and they can connect with the employers. So this
yeah.
is
And that is happening. Really, that is happening.
Ji.
Because BBC has shoot the real stories of the real beneficiaries.
Nee, I'm really happy that today you spared your time to be with us, in spite of the fact that Dhanteras is there. It's a festive time, and Professor Moni is not able to join. I believe there is some issue. So it means internet issue is not only in Gujarat; it can happen in Delhi also. So that's not the thing. But thank
This
you
is
very
the
much,
new
madam.
normal. We have to stay with the new normal now.
Yes, yes,
And thank you all. And I think this is the end of the meeting, no?
yes, yes.
But
Thank you. Yes.
it will have another meetings in future. We will have.
Sure, we will be. And thank you very much. It was a pleasure to listen
Thank
to you, to know about your initiative. Let's work together to empower our farmers and to see that their income is doubled by 2022. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Namaste.